Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the 1970 Ford Falcon, a classic car that's often overshadowed but deserves more attention. The 1970 Falcon offered a blend of performance, affordability, and style which still captures the hearts of enthusiasts today. Let's get into the details of its performance and what it cost back in the day. The 1970 Ford Falcon came with a range of engine options. The standard base model had a 200 cubic inch six-cylinder engine, producing around 120 horsepower. Not super powerful by today's standards, but it provided a smooth and reliable drive for everyday use. For those wanting a bit more muscle, the Falcon had optional V8 engines. The 302 cubic inch V8 was a popular choice, delivering about 220 horsepower. This engine gave the Falcon a noticeable boost in performance, providing better acceleration and a more satisfying driving experience. It was perfect for those looking to add a little excitement to their daily drive without breaking the bank. Another option for performance lovers was the 351 cubic inch V engine. This upgrade offered up to 250 horsepower, pushing the Falcon into the muscle car territory. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this step-up made the Falcon a serious competitor on the road, giving drivers the classic American V8 rumble and a thrilling drive. Now, what about the price? The base model in 1970 started around $2,300, which was quite affordable compared to other performance-oriented cars of the time. If you opted for the higher performance V8 models, you could expect to pay closer to $3,000. That was still a great deal for a car with solid power and stylish design. In short, the 1970 Ford Falcon offered flexible performance options and a budget-friendly price, making it accessible to a range of buyers. Whether you were looking for a reliable daily driver or a powerful V8 cruiser, the Falcon had you covered. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the 1970 Ford Falcon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which classic car you'd like us to feature next.